How to add multiple charts into one chart in TradingView. So simply open your TradingView chart. So I got here the ExxonMobil. Now in left upper corner area, click on this little plus and search for the another symbol which you want to add. So for example, the Apple. You can close this window and here the Apple stock was added to this actual one chart. But as you can see, it's in the line chart. So you can simply place your mouse on the Apple, click the settings, and here you can change the style of this chart. Simply you can choose the candles, and it's same like this one ExxonMobil chart. In this way you can also add another chart or another stock, for example Tesla. It was added here. It's also in line chart. You can change it like you want. You can change the style, for example candles or the bars. And this was how to add multiple chart into one. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.